dude, I've been waiting on these fucking brackets to get cut, and then yesterday they were cut wrong.
After they were welded together.
After they were welded together.
Have to cut them off and now weld twice, cut once.
Which, you know, shame on me for not fucking checking that, but for fuck's sake, when they're off by like 2 millimeters,
Just get that out.
get the fucking tension off of it. Oh, you fucking cocksucker.
Should be off of it.
It ain't.
I mean, it's off of this thing. Oh, your brake.
I'm gonna have to drive it out. Hey, will you hand me that 13 millimeter?
Hey, Cat, you looking for something to eat?
Ooh, brave motherfucker today, are you?
You want something to eat? All right, hold on.
Did you give me my cheese whiz, boy?
Come in from the backside.
Come this far forward or back?
Yeah.
So they're not,
Let's
this thing's
do
not
it,
oblong.
Yeah. Let's try to get it dead ass in the middle.
I'm going to take out the brake assembly and the fuel pedal assembly out of this old G body and modify it, use it in the 49 Fleet line, because we're not using any of the original stuff out of that car. It's all different, going other places than where we need it. So I figure since we got this car sitting out here, we'll take these out and redo them and use them over there as soon as I can get them out of here.
Oh, this dude has a no start issue, but his battery was dead, so
Wow.
it's
Nice.
usually a,
Pretty easy fix.
yeah, I hope that's all it is. Moment of truth. Charge your battery, folks.
Have to look this stuff up all over again.
Oh man, I don't want to crawl around on the fucking ground. Do it anyway. I need a pillow. Bite.
Ooh. You naughty boy. I think it's broken. Fucking media guy. Why you always gotta be filming when I'm stepping on my dick, dude?
What's so funny, I feel like
Everybody else gets good footage. Like Chris Baker's always welding or grinding and shit. You film me and I'm sitting here dicking with this fucking gas pipe. It's kicking me in the vagina, dude. Yeah.
oh, that was so good though. I don't consider the price until it's half a shopping cart full.
Consider the price of it until you have like a half a shopping cart full of Hot Wheels, and then you're like, oh, it's like $80 worth of Hot Wheels. I mean, I get it. I'm the funny one, but
I'm the funny one. You guys are lame.
Just go in there and just grab a random piece of metal and grind it and get a photo of you grind some random ass piece of metal.
Also grabs
that's all we do here. Just grind on metal.
They don't even break it, dude. Just grind on metal.
I can't even get the key out of this. Cut.
Girl, to get a lot of dough, anything is possible. Turn me up in the headphone. Yeah. Grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and vomit nose. Anything is possible. Yeah. Grind to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible.